Hey there, welcome back to Windows Fixer, your go-to channel for fixing frustrating Windows errors fast and easy. Today we're dealing with a super common issue when installing GameLoop. You might be getting one of these error messages: HTTP download error code 4, 20, 21, 30, or 31. Yeah, I know it's annoying. But here's the good news. These errors are all basically the same thing. They usually happen when GameLoop can't reach its servers during installation. So let's go over 3 simple ways to fix it. Stick with me, and we'll have you up and running in no time. First fix, check and reset your host file. Okay, sometimes your system's host file gets corrupted, or maybe it's been edited by another program, like a VPN or firewall tool. That can block GameLoop from downloading important files. Here's how to fix it. First, open Notepad as administrator. Just press the Windows key, type Notepad, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Then in Notepad, click on File, then Open. Now navigate to the folder that holds your system's host file: C drive, then Windows, then System32, now drivers, and finally etc. Once you're there, change the file type to All Files so you can see it. Now open the file named Hosts. Scroll down and look for any weird entries. If you see lines mentioning Tencent, GameLoop, or any strange IP addresses, go ahead and delete those lines. Not sure what to remove? No problem. You can also delete the entire hosts file. Windows will recreate a clean default version automatically. Once you're done, save and close everything. Then try installing GameLoop again. It might just work now. Second fix, refresh your DNS settings. This one's easy and really effective. Sometimes your DNS is just stuck or pointing to the wrong servers. To fix it, we're going to run a few simple commands. First, press the Windows key and the R key together. Type CMD and then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Now type these 4 commands one at a time. Press Enter after each one. First, ipconfig release. Second, ipconfig renew. Third, ipconfig flush DNS. And fourth, ipconfig register DNS. Each of these commands resets a different part of your network settings. Once that's done, close the window and try the GameLoop installer again. Third fix, use Cloudflare WARP. If the first 2 didn't work, don't worry, this last one often does the trick. I've used the Cloudflare WARP tool myself, and it's helped in many cases, especially when downloads get blocked by your internet service provider or something in your network. WARP works like a VPN, but it's actually faster and more private. Just keep in mind it's not meant for gaming, but it's perfect for downloading or fixing installer issues like this. Now, if you already have it installed, here's how to launch it. Click on the Start menu and search for Cloudflare. When it opens, look down at your system tray, the small icons near your clock, and click the gray cloud icon. Next, click on the gear icon in the corner, and from there, select the option that says 1.1.1.1 with WARP. Once it's connected, the cloud will turn blue. Now you're ready. Go ahead and try installing GameLoop again. And that's it. One of these 3 fixes should solve the HTTP download error and get GameLoop running smoothly. If it worked for you, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Windows Fixer for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your game.